So a question came in, what do I do with all the samples of stuff that I make? I wonder what I do with that. But this is just a portion of it because a lot of it that I've done over the years is missing. Hi, I'm Mikey from the Crochet Crowd, and thank you so much for joining our channel today. I'm here to inspire you and create magic with your crochet hook. Are you ready to play?
Oh yeah, sounds good.
So I keep a lot of the projects that are used in actual design and actually filming little pieces. So I even keep little swatches and stuff that I teach online. This here is classified as my catalog wall. So I may figure out something in the future where, you know, I remember doing a stitch in a certain project and I seem to remember what projects those are. So I'm able to pull stuff like that out in order to understand it. So what is this sample here? So this sample here is just, what do you think that it is? Yeah, it's like the stitch along, but it's actually done in a different manner because I wanted to figure out how to do something like this in a different way. So what I wanted to do is that I wanted to keep this stuff, but I do encourage you that once you're done with something, just toss it to a friend or a donation bin, people that want to accept donations. And so once I know I'm done with stuff, then I literally hand it over to donations. For myself, because I'm a tutorial host, that I can make my money on the monetization of YouTube, so I don't feel like I need to charge for this stuff because I'm already making my money online in order to do that, from the website monetization to YouTube. So it's nice to be able to donate. It feels great to buy yarn, but it also feels good to donate, and these are what happens to some of the samples that I do here with the Crochet Crowd.